How to download and install Talkie Soulful AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to download and install Talkie Soulful AI on your device. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and open Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. Tap search icon and tap search bar. In search bar, you need to type in Talkie Soulful AI and search. So if the app appears, you need to tap install to begin downloading. Once installed, you can easily launch it and use the app. If you don't find the app in your store, you can easily open any browser or Google. Then you have to search for Talkie Soulful AI APK. You can easily download the APK from a trusted source. Once downloaded, you can tap the file to begin installation. Follow the prompts to install the app. And with that, you will successfully download and install Talkie Soulful AI. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.